Beautiful. Deadly.
This place, it's beyond cold. It feels alive. And it wants to kill me.
In a place where exposed skin freezes in minutes, where your very breath can turn to ice, survival here is a battle between man and nature. Today I will attempt to survive 24 hours in the most frigid part of Alaska, where temperatures plunge to a staggering -71 degrees.
It changes now. It's I think we're open away. I didn't notice if it changes now. It's getting worse.
This is it. I'll build here. Need a flat spot before the wind gets stronger. This has to hold through the night. If this holds, I might survive the night. Even a little feels like heaven. Oh, come on. Yes. Very good. The real fight starts now. The night doesn't forgive mistakes. Never thought fire could look this beautiful. Every drop counts out here. Temperature's dropping fast. I need shelter before nightfall. Maybe I can dig in near those rocks. This wall might buy me a few degrees. Maybe enough.
A wall of snow. My only defense against the cold.
Once the sun's gone, it'll hit -70. Gotta seal this up. It's beautiful. Deadly.
Not bad. Held through the worst of it.
Oh, still alive. It's a good start.
Tastes like frostbite, but it's something. Damn, the storm's getting worse. One night down, if the walls hold.
Stay with me, Fire. Don't die now.
Alright, this should trap some heat. Minus 71. This is unreal. Don't sleep. I want you to asleep. If I wake up, I'll build something stronger tomorrow. You've made it this far. Just keep breathing.
You'll have to do. Better than nothing.
Stay sharp. Small mistakes out here kill.
But a machination of snow. Now what I don't think you're just going to. That's a roll. Water, warmth, food. Repeat, that's the rule.
Time to move. Sitting still means freezing.
A vision. Out there, the world's frozen solid. No mercy.
Maybe a fox. Maybe food.
No trees, no animals. Just me and the cold.